The courtroom of the Appellate Court in Abuja is filled with lawyers and party supporters of the People's Democratic Party and the All Progressives Congress of Osun State. They wait patiently for the decision of the court on who won the Osun governorship election. The three-member panel of justices, led by Justice Mohammed Lawal, set aside the judgment of the Election Tribunal in Osun State and dismissed the allegation of overvoting, which is the basis upon which the tribunal anchored its decision, which nullified Mr. Adeleke's victory. The court added that it was inconceivable to assume that the testimonies of Mr. Oyetola's witnesses had any probative value. The Court of Appeal further held that Mr. Oyetola and the APC did not tender the voters' register and bimodal voter accreditation system BVAS machines, which captured data of eligible voters at the Osun governorship election. The court held that the foundation of what transpired at the polling units would only be established by the evidence that is contained in the voters' register and the BVAS machines. On the issue of jurisdiction, the court states that Section 285, subsection 8 of the Constitution gives the court the very right to entertain the appeal. The court also awarded 500,000 naira against the All Progressives Congress APC and its governorship candidates in the election, Mr. Gboyega Oyetola. The appellate court also dismissed Mr. Oyetola's cross-appeal, which is on the education qualification of Mr. Adeleke, stating that a judgment in 2019 has laid it to rest that he did not forge the certificate presented at the 2018 governorship election. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) declared Mr. Adeleke of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) as the winner of the governorship election held in Osun State on July the 16th, 2022.
All the appeals filed by the governor-elect Senator Ademola Adeleke, he won his appeal. The PDP as a political party won his appeal. INEC as an appellant before this Court of Appeal won the appeal. So the totality of the appeal presented before the Court of Appeal herein have succeeded, and the court has affirmed that Senator Ademola Adeleke remains the governor of Osun State.
There are so many issues involved in this appeal. Some of the issues we won, a bit more of the issues we lost. Overall, we lost the appeal. But it's so interesting that we believe that as soon as we collect the various judgments, which are all more or less the same, by Monday we'll study the judgment and then make our decision.
The last available option to Mr. Gboyega Oyetola and the All Progressives Congress is the Supreme Court, a decision that the candidate and the party are yet to make public.